So here, look. This lady says she can do anything she wants. Anything you want for 500 baht. I say,
you get some crap on me.
I say, can you book me flight? So we're just leaving Runton Resort in Bang SARAY. Yeah, when I asked him, he first quoted 2,000 a night. Then he said between 1,500 and 1,750. But yeah, don't do monthlies or weekly. You don't get a weekly rate. So it's understandable why a lot of them have locks on. I would drop it to get more customers in. So here, Bang SARAY. This is like the main. Well, I say main drag. It's not a very big place. You know, there's this road with a few little places on. Massage, couple of small hotels, few residential buildings. And the old loudspeaker man. Thought I was loud. But yeah, it's a nice little place. Like you've probably seen my previous videos. The beach is absolutely amazing. Sea crystal clear, not like Pattaya and Tiem. Hardly any litter on the beach. So yeah, take a look back at my videos. So there's Pattaya on the sea. So yeah, we'll have a little tour. Watch the old lady. As most people know, Thai elders get a real lot of respect. You've got to, you know, treat them like royalty. That's the Thai way. So let me know in the comments what you think and what you want to see. Like I've mentioned, I'm not one of these that's flying here, there and everywhere all over Thailand, because I'm living here, do you know what I mean? So I'm on a tight budget with obviously not getting a pension for 15 years, well, state pension. A private pension kicks in October, but I'm going to leave that for 10 years hopefully. If I carry on the way I'm doing with my current incoming funds, I should be alright. You know, if I stay out at bars like a lot of people that come out here with a 5 or 10 year plan and they blow it all in a month or two. You've got to be disciplined, like I've said previously. Stay away from bar girls. Yeah, have the odd occasion, you know, but don't be doing it every night. Don't be buying lady drinks every night or bar fines. Get on Thai Friendly. Free message. Don't subscribe. Get the line and arrange it that way. 1,000 baht for an hour and a half. Up to you. Up to you. So yeah, look at the old colour of these boats, look. Look at colour at sea. Turquoise, I do believe, is the correct shade of blue, as I remember off the old Dulux colour charts from B&Q when I was in the old family environment with my wife and kids growing up, and painted bedrooms every 6 months because they got bored or whatever they were had. You know, My Little Pony or Little Mermaid or Spider-Man, Captain America, you name it. So yeah, I've still got the old wibbly wobbly strap on for my videoing. So I don't want criticism saying, oh, you know, you need to get a gimbal stabiliser and all that bollocks. I'm not interested. I'm doing this for fun. I'm going to see how it goes. If I get monetised, yeah, I probably will spend a bit of money on equipment. But I'm not going to just spend money for the sake of it and then everything go tits up like it did before. There's certain critics out there ruining, giving me a bad report on the channel and that. Anyway, on over, enjoy the ride. So this is the main fishing pier at SARAY. I started a video before from here going north towards Jontienne along SARAY Beach. So I will stop this video now because coming up to this street cellar here is where I started my previous video from. So have a look at that and don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you've enjoyed this little ride around SARAY. Boom! So here look, we're singing and dancing.